أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب وصدته الأماني أن يتوب.
Dear audience, now the time has arrived to incentivize the participants. Let me tell you that yesterday at the same time, knockout round of the elocution competition had taken place among 9 students, wherein 3 finished first, second and third in the rank. They will be now heavily awarded by Jamia in the form of books of 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000 rupees respectively, and the rest of 6 contestants with lower marks will be incentivized with the books of 500 rupees each. So, now I am going to announce the names of position holders. First position holder is Maulana Muhammad Tausif. Please come ahead and collect your reward in the form of shield as well as books by the blessed hands of Hafiz Imran Yaqub. Second position was secured by Maulana Wasim Ahmed. Please come forward and receive your prize in the form of shield by the same personality over the state. Third position was held by Maulana Abdul Majid. Please come and get your reward as shield as well as books by the same figure. Thank you. Now I announce back-to-back names. Muhammad Ihsan. Please come and get your reward as a form of books by the hands of Faiz Salim Siddiqui Sahib. Muhammad by the hand of Faiz Salim Siddiqui Sahib. Muhammad Saab, please come ahead and collect your reward in the form of books of 500 rupees by the hands of Professor Muhammad Arif. Muhammad Ziauddin, please come ahead and get your reward by the blessed hands of Maulana Muhammad Abrar Sahib. Now the last contestant to get reward is Maulana Mahmood Ahmad Sahib. Please come forward and collect your reward in the form of books of 500 rupees by the hands of Ahmad Siddiqui Sahib. Here the sequence of prize distribution ended.
أنا العبد الذي كسب